DSK Hyosung to launch your new motorcycles in India by 2017. If reports are true, then DSK Hyosung will be adding 4 new motorcycles to its already existing line-up in India. The company is planning to launch these 4 bikes by the end of next year. This move by the company will really set the market boiling, with new bikes being launched every other month by top bike manufacturers. DSK Hyosung will be launching the Hyosung GD300, Hyosung GD300R, Hyosung GD650R and Hyosung GD450 in India within the next 18 months, and were all showcased at the recent ICMA 2015. Hyosung GD300. The first bike to be launched by DSK Hyosung will be the all-new Hyosung GD300. DSK Hyosung will be launching the new motorcycle in the cruiser segment and is expected to be a replacement for the DSK Hyosung Aquilo 250 in the market. Moreover, the company had unveiled the India-bound Hyosung GD300 at the 2015 ICMA. Hyosung GD300 Photo The all-new DSK Hyosung GD300 will come with a 275cc, air/oil-cooled, V-twin engine producing peak power of 26 bishop at 8,500 rpm and peak torque 23.5 Nm at 7,000 rpm, mated to a 5-speed transmission. The all-new DSK Hyosung GD300 will sport telescopic forks in the front and hydraulic double shocks at the rear. Moreover, DSK Hyosung GD300 gets a 300mm disc up front and a 270mm disc at the rear, both assisted by ABS. The upcoming Hyosung GD300 will come with a wheelbase of 1,515mm and will be 2,294mm in length, 1,130mm in width and 875mm in height. The upcoming Hyosung GD300 comes with a round headlamp, teardrop tank and split seats. Moreover, the bike also comes with black powder-coated engine and alloy wheels. The upcoming DSK Hyosung GD300 will be launched by May 2016. We expect the new DSK Hyosung GD300 to come with a price tag of Rs 3.2 lakh, Rs 4.1 lakh ex-showroom, New Delhi. Hyosung GD300R Hyosung GD300R was unveiled at the ICMA 2015 and will mostly replace the outgoing Hyosung GD250R in the Indian market. The upcoming Hyosung GD300R will come powered with a 275cc VOHC V-twin engine producing maximum power output of 27 bishop at 10,500 rpm and maximum torque of 23.5 Nm at 7,000 rpm, mated to a 5-speed gearbox. Hyosung GD300R Photo Moreover, the upcoming Hyosung GD300R gets ABS as a standard feature. The upcoming Hyosung GD300R will be launched by June 2016. Hyosung GD650R first showcased at the ICMA 2015. The upcoming updated Hyosung GD650R will come with the same 647cc 90-degree VOHC V-twin engine as the previous model, churning maximum power output of 73 bishop and maximum torque of 54.4 Nm. Moreover, the updated Hyosung GD650R will come with a smaller 15-liter tank. Hyosung GD650R Photo Photo. The updated Hyosung GD650R will be launched by June 2016. Hyosung GD450. The South Korean bike manufacturers Hyosung unveiled the GD450 prototype at the EICMA 2015 and will be launched in India in the coming months. The upcoming Hyosung GD450 prototype comes with a 499cc, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder DOHC engine that churns out peak power of 49 bishop at 7,500 rpm and peak torque of 47.7 Nm at 7,000 rpm, mated to a close ratio 6-speed gearbox. Hyosung GD450 Photo Photo. The India-bound Hyosung GD450 prototype will most likely come with a ground clearance of 810 mm and will have a wheelbase of 145 mm with an overall length of 1045 mm, overall width of 1360 mm and overall height of 795 mm. The upcoming Hyosung GD450 prototype will compete against the KTM 390 Duke on the Indian shores and will launch sometime next year. Watch this space for more information on the upcoming bikes from DSK Hyosung.